He became an example. Journey cut short and diverted. This motorist was arrested after testing positive for alcohol during the Arrive Alive campaign in Dabozuko today. Handcuffed and escorted away, he is one of many that the authorities are targeting with this campaign as they seek to intensify the fight against road crashes and fatalities during the Easter weekend. The Deputy Director for Provincial Traffic, Charles Bramwell, says these stop and search go beyond license and alcohol checking. Traffic officers must inspect vehicles.
One of the subjects we do there, it's called systematic check of a vehicle. That's how you check a vehicle. From the moment you stop it, where you start, you go around the vehicle until you come to the next end again. So traffic officers are supposed to do that, and if they're not doing it, they are not doing their job properly.
Today, vehicles were indeed stopped and searched, with MEC Xolile Nqatha and Charles Bramwell leading the operation. Bramwell says officers frequently encounter resistance when making arrests.
You deal with various type of people on the road. You get people that are arrogant, when officers stop them and they did something wrong, they want to be charged, then some of them gives us problems. But we know how to deal with them. You need to know how your human relations must be with people. We need to respect each other, but we always try and salvage the situation that we don't get involved in any arguments because ours is just to enforce the law.
Transport MEC Xolile Nqatha says they are encouraged by the decrease in the festive season statistics.
Sakhela kumsebenzi omhle esiwenzileyo kwezi holidays idlulileyo uba sithobe amanani wabantu ababhubhayo ezindleleni zethu. Sakhela kulo msebenzi ke. Sakhela nakulento ndimane ndiyixela kumagosa into bana ucwangco nogcino mthetho ayiyonto eyenziwa ngeholiday, into emayenziwe yonke le mihla. Eneneni ke okoko ke holidays besona kweza holiday okoko bebonakala ezindleleni. Nangoku ke saqhuba loo nto leyo. Siyamemelela ke uba abantu babamba umthetho wendlela.
As the Easter weekend approaches, MEC Nqatha has called for vigilance amongst motorists and road users with a stern warning on those who will be found on the wrong side of the law. I am Yamkela Mchiyo for MPK News, Dabozuko.